Introducing the newest members of the Filamento family, the VALTO 150E and 250 light source. This product can directly replace a 150 to 250 watt HID, 400 to 700 watt incandescent, or 300 to 500 watt halogen. It's a high output LED lamp delivering quality illumination without the poor compatibility and reliability of other LED lights. VALTO 150E was specifically designed to fit into low-profile enclosed fixtures, such as recessed cans, low bay, or garage canopies. Both VALTO 150E and 250 can operate in open fixture environments. For some fixtures, the use of a socket extender may be required. VALTO is the only UL-listed lamp to work with all magnetic ballasts or with line voltage of 100 to 277 volts AC. Anyone can replace an HID or incandescent bulb without rewiring. Just screw it in. It creates more light using 1/6 of the energy of HID. The VALTO 150E outperforms most LED replacement lamps on the market. Other LED solutions without integral optics can result in a 30 to 40% light loss within the recessed reflector and with poor beam distribution and glare. Filamento's integral optics creates a 90-degree beam distribution that directs light out of the recessed fixture with little loss. Filamento's patented optics provide a highly optimized light distribution with no glare and 35% higher efficiency than competitive LED products. For example, our 4,000 lumens product provides as many lumens on target as our competitor's 5,500 lumens product. It is designed to be compatible with all E26 HID, E26 base and neck to fit any fixture. Various socket adapters and extenders are available to convert to a E39 mogul base or extending the socket to deeper recessed down lights. It is rated for 50,000 hours of service inside of enclosed fixtures. Its through-flow heat sink design reduces heat buildup in enclosed fixtures and is fanless for quiet and reliable operation. The incorporated driver is designed to eliminate lamp failures due to overheating. Color temperature is important to illuminate your spaces beautifully and accurately, and VALTO has multiple options to give you the best results. The front cap can be removed in the field and replaced with controls, such as occupancy and daylight sensors, or Bluetooth wireless controls. VALTO 150E and VALTO 250, the latest LED innovation from Filamento.